What's up everyone? Hello. I am Kaz and finally we have started our family channel. And what I mean by ours, this channel is all about myself, my wife Bushra, and my baby Xavier, who is right here on the floor and he's being a little fussy. Well, before we get to the introductions, let me tell you a little bit about this channel. This is a vlog channel about our family. We're gonna call it the Kaz Family, and I hope you enjoy. And here comes Bushra. She is my wife and the mother of this little guy right here, who, like I said, has become being a little fussy today. Hi Bushra, and say hello to all the viewers.
Yeah, I would like to welcome you all on our YouTube channel, which is our family channel, and I am so happy that you all are part of our family, small family.
We're actually headed to our family barbecue. You know, it's been, this lockdown has really kept us all cooped up and we've been longing to get out, and this barbecue is going to be nice. It's Victoria Day, it's a long weekend, the weather is beautiful, perfect day for a barbecue, and we just, you know, can't wait to get there and enjoy the nice food and meet everybody.
Yep.
But we just want to let you know that Bushra and I have been thinking about making this channel for a while. And Bushra, how long has it been since we've been thinking about making this channel?
Has been quite a lot of time, because I was on Instagram and then thought, should we make our channel? Because a lot of people used to message, oh, we want to see Xavier, more of your routine. आप कैसे करती हैं, क्या करती हैं? What do you cook for him? What do you feed him? So answering all those DMs and making posts for him or on my Instagram channel was getting a little hectic, and we were still debating, should we make our channel or should we not? Then thought, okay, let's give it a try.
Yeah, absolutely. And want to let everyone know that this is a bilingual channel. So it's going to be English and Urdu. I wish I knew more languages, but English and Urdu, this is a bilingual channel. So I hope you enjoy. And this is the first video of our family vlog channel, the Kaz Family. So today's journey is going to be the barbecue.
I can't wait to have some delicious barbecue.
This little guy is Xavier. Xavier, say hi to everyone. Xavier is at that age right now where, you know, little babies are very inquisitive, and he's about to turn 11 months. So he's pretty much very curious as to what everything is, and he just wanders the whole house, craves our attention. Nice outfit, Bushra. Where'd you get this from?
I got it from Pakistan.
All right, we're ready. Now we're leaving the house. Bushra, ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. We have finally reached, and we are getting ready and excited for the barbecue to meet our family. All right, so here we are. All right, so we're waiting for them to open the door, and this is, hey Nusi,
Hey!
say hi.
Hey guys!
This is Nasaima, she's my sister-in-law. Hi Nusi, how you doing?
Good.
Awesome. That is, the one on the right is my sister. Hi Farwa.
Hi!
Hi, she's my sister, and that is my mother. Her name is Mahjabeen. Hi Ammi.
Hi!
Hi, what's happening here?
I'm trying to make nihari.
Nihari.
Yeah.
Oh wow, and we're gonna have a barbecue. So
Okay.
that's the beef for the nihari,
And onion.
and she's chopping some onions. So some very delicious cooking happening here. Nasaima, what are you doing?
Opening the box of nihari to give to her. Mohsen in the back is doing a barbecue.
Okay, let's check out Mohsen in the back. Oh, and here's the rest of the crew. Here's the chef himself. What up? What up?
How you doing?
What's up? What's up?
Hi,
Look at all that food. Wow. This is Omar. Omar, how you doing, brother?
How are you?
Good, good. Yo. And this is Sophie. She's my niece. She's a year and a half.
We got FaceTime right now?
It's my brother-in-law Mohammed. Yo, Mohammed, what's happening? Mohsin's got a beautiful, beautiful patio here. Look at all this patio furniture. And look at all that delicious chicken.
Deliciousness.
What's up, Farwa? What's that tripod for over there? Oh, just to take pictures? Nice.
We have that out on Eid.
Oh, did ya?
Yeah.
Got a nice kiddie pool over here. Xavier and Sophie are gonna play in the pool today. The food's ready and we can't wait to dig in. We got this pasta salad right here. Some lettuce right there. This delicious chicken. Got the cups ready for the drinks. And everybody's just ready to eat. This little guy just had his meal. And now he's enjoying his lollipop. Sophie.
Say hi, mommy.
Sophie.
Say hi, Dara. Hi, everybody.
Hi. Say hi.
No, you're not
No.
ready. Eat me.
Sophie, when are you gonna go in the pool?
Say soon after we eat.
Sophie and Zabu are gonna go in the pool later on. Dadi having a blast with her grandson. Ammi, how long has it been since you last saw him?
Only 2 days ago.
Oh, 2 days ago?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. She was missing you though.
Yeah, they all have a British accent, right? Yeah.
Zavi, Dadi was missing you. You having fun with Dadi?
Yes, I'm having fun with Javi. And Javi is having fun with everybody. Taya, Chachu, Sophie, Puppu, Daddy, Uncle Omar, and Ammu, and Tai. Everyone, right?
Sophie,
Sophie, look.
Sophie, say hi.
Say hi, Taya. Say hi, Taya. Listen to this. LA and New York.
Hi, Sophie.
Are officially
Sophie.
more affordable than Toronto.
Say hi.
absolutely.
Say hi.
That's unbelievable. That's crazy. Say hi. However, Canadian residents tell us we can buy.
Let's see what's happening inside. Bush, are you cold? Freezing?
Freezing.
Yeah, it's a little, I mean, it's not super chilly, but it's a little windy
It's
today.
cold for me.
So what are you surfing on TV?
Netflix.
I know, what are you looking for?
Modern Family.
Nice. Mohammed, you okay there?
No. I have another week off of work, man.
Really? Have you
Yeah.
taken off?
I'm gonna have to take another week off of work. Yeah, I know it.
Starting from when? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow. I know
Yeah.
how I feel. I just know.
Like you?
You got more sick days?
Oh, I didn't have any used.
Oh,
That was
okay.
all COVID then.
Okay.
So because it was back?
And Simon, what are you up to?
I'm about to make chai.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
When did you learn how to make chai for, like the Pakistani style chai or?
Yeah.
Nice, when did you learn how to do
When
that?
I got married.
And yeah, I bet you become a pro at it, eh?
Yeah, I'm pretty good at it. Actually.
Alright, so Nasama's gonna make tea for us.
You can make your back strong by lifting weights, but it does, like if somebody has weak back, it doesn't go away like that. It takes time.
This is Bushra's philosophies. Right, Bushra, are you having a good time or what?
Yeah, good time.
You're looking forward to this, right? Barbecue?
Yeah.
It's nice to be with the family, right? I know it was kind of hard with COVID and being cooped up inside, and it's nice that we're all together and having a good time now, eh? Okay, I don't know what that meant. Hi. Still working? Are you excited about everything kind of like opening up? And
Yeah.
so what do you think? What do you think? When is everything gonna open up all together?
Probably like end of summer. Oh God.
End of summer?
Yeah, like everything.
So September?
September probably.
Yeah, like everything back to normal, no masks, nothing?
Oh, I don't know about no mask, but they're definitely gonna start opening up everything soon, hopefully.
Yeah.
Once everyone's vaccinated, we need 80%. So get your vaccines.
Yes, we're getting our vaccines on Wednesday.
Nice. Yes.
Have you had yours yet?
Not yet. No, I have to book it still.
Okay. Yeah. So
And what they
inshallah.
offer
So
us
it's,
small
I think it's
jackets.
70% for the first dose
I think
and
it's
20.
60 for the first, 70, and then 80.
I was
When
wondering
everything's
if
gonna
it's
open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, we'll
Yeah,
see.
but I think it's like 80% need their first dose, and then half of them have to have their second or something. I don't know.
Right. Well, hopefully we don't go into a fourth wave, right?
No. Fourth grade.
That would suck, right? Bye.
बस दीपिका इंडियन चॉकलेट के हैं
I'm gonna leave them right here.
Thank you Nasi for the chai.
Thanks, Nusi. Ammi, what are you making? Oh yeah, I thought you were making something sweet. Let's see how your nihari is coming along. Oh, delicious.
And this is
What is that, like a pressure cooker?
pressure cooker, and this is the tadka.
The tadka, the masala?
No, like the gravy on top, oil,
The oil on top of the gravy?
yeah, on top of the nihari
Ah.
and brown onion.
It's very stylish.
Ah. Okay.
Double pizza. Oh yeah! Ah, he wants to do that. Come on, Sabu. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! You okay? Can you check her face? She's like,
वो देखो
oh yeah!
Bye, Farwa. Bye. Bye. It was fun. Guys, thanks for having us. It was a lot of fun.
Bye. Say bye.
Take care.
I love you.
Say I love you.
Say I love you, Sophie.
I love you.
I love you,
Like,
Sophie.
bye, guys.
Bye guys.
So,
Bye. Bye, Ammi.
Bye. Thank
See ya.
you for coming.
Thank you for having us. The barbecue was delicious.
Welcome.
Until next
You're
time.
welcome.
Yes, yes.
Next time.
Ammi also made nihari. The nihari I'm gonna have at home.
and that's a wrap for the long weekend.
Yep. Back to work tomorrow.
Bye, Sabu.
Take care. Time to go home, Basha. How you feeling?
Tired.
Yep. Time to go home. Time is 7:30. Still daylight. Plenty of daylight outside.
Sophie as well.
Summertime. Well, almost summertime. See you in the next video.